A 2022 study in Nature magazine highlighted the vigorous intensity exercise is significantly more potent, like 4 to 10 times, than moderate activity for reducing death, cardiovascular disease, and cancer risk, primarily by improving vascular health, metabolism, and activating immune cells, with recent work emphasizing even short bursts of high intensity, like climbing up the stairs with your groceries, being crucial for longevity. So if you want to really learn more about what you can do to take charge of your health and your blood sugar, take a look at the webinar link I'm attaching, and you can also look up the study. Bye.